In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it too. So before you connect a Facebook page to Instagram, you need to make sure that you are an admin on the Facebook page that you're trying to connect. Then what you're going to do is to open up the Instagram app on your phone and you're going to tap on your profile picture. Then select Edit Profile right under your bio and scroll down just a little bit, then select Page. Now here Meta will ask you if you want to connect or create a Facebook page. Go ahead and tap on Continue. And now you need to log into Facebook to connect your Instagram to the app. Go ahead and tap on Log to Facebook. Continue. And here you're going to have the option to either log into your Facebook account or create a new page. I'm just going to show you quickly how to create a new one. Tap right here. Then you're going to give your Facebook page a name and a category. Then go ahead and tap on Create. It might take a few minutes, but after you do that, you have successfully created your Facebook page. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.